Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Enjoy this video.
Take me somewhere unfamiliar, bring me back to where we started.
I had someone ask me to be a janitor today.
That's crazy. Who was he?
I think his name was Salim something.
So what? Yeah, I'll take care of him. Don't worry. Where is he?
Whoa.
Huh?
Take care with what?
Oh.
You have nothing in your hands.
Oh no, I that was a joke.
Yeah, it's not like you're gonna kill someone, right?
No, of course not. Of course, I would never do that unless I had to. I need this job. Yeah, I just learned that one. Yeah, I'm getting pretty good at this. What can I say? Oh my God, there's a person on the street. Oh jeez. Well, here's the bank. We can.
Yep.
Jesus, that's not a player, is it? Hello? Hello? Oh, there.
You know, give me like your Playboy, what's up, girl, man. Yo, X, do your
what?
bonjour, what's up, girl. Do it one time, X.
Bonjour, my belle. What's up, girl?
Well, that was
You see
good.
that? You see that? That's his player shit, man. That's his pickup line, man.
Man,
You do
how
one,
often
you
does
know.
that work?
All the time.
No.
You're my best worker, man.
Benji, I don't think I could do that.
$100 a minute, man.
$100 a
Maybe you
minute?
can't do that. $100 a minute.
I can't do that. I'm not good at pickup things.
Oh, no, he's
What you
good. He's
mean?
good. Oh,
Just say it. What's up, girl?
Well, what's up, girl?
What? That is not say like a pussy, you know? What the
What
fuck?
do you mean?
A
Well, it's
little bit
kind of
of
weird to
swag
say. It's
plus
weird to
two,
say. I
man.
can't.
Okay.
About a pissy pan.
Look. You
the
just
fuck
gotta
am I
find the right
talking about,
customer.
Nico?
The right
No,
customer.
Mr. B, Mr. B.
That's rough. Look, I think he's talking to Dean right now. Oh, probably about his burger shot thing, right?
Oh, yeah. That's the big boss of the burger shop.
He got demoted at Burger Shot. He's trying to. These
They
players.
took my fucking. They did it.
Let's just sit back here.
But you couldn't get in the door.
I don't know if he's still gonna have his
It's
job at
bad.
Burger
It's
Shop.
bad.
I hope it's okay to. Do I leak this? Do I risk it? I don't know, guys. Flamin', thanks for the sub. I mean, okay, it's not a huge secret. The other good news, leak. Well, it's not a huge leak. All right, you guys remember when Corpse said he was gonna hand deliver me a hoodie? It might be happening sooner than I thought. Might be happening sooner than I thought. The one where they told me to play Among Us? I don't know, guys. I might be busy playing Among Us that day. I'm just kidding. I don't know. Look, if Leslie wants to play, you guys know I always want to play with her.
Are you whispering to, Lex?
Who? What?
The guy in the back here. I'm just talking to him. Yo,
A guy in the back? What do you mean?
Whoa, he has a gun on me!
What?
What?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, the truck is...
What? The truck's moving. What's happening? Take me with you.
What? Let's go. Wait, what the? What do you mean, guys?
Like, I signed up for a police ride-along last week. I signed up for a police ride-along last week.
Took us with him. It's fine.
Yeah, police ride-along.
I can't give us permission. I don't under... My Clarkson gave you permission to come in the car? He gave us permission.
I think so. Yeah, I think so. The dude with the hair. He might have said that maybe, but I don't remember.
The dude with the hair. I have hair. I didn't give you permission.
Oh, I signed up for a police ride-along. I signed up last week.
The park ranger. What is that officer doing?
How's that officer still on the truck?
Is his name Jean-Paul? Oh, Jean-Claude Van
What is
Damme? Close enough.
This is the most-
park rangers trained. Oh my
Jesus,
God.
he's insane. He's on the truck.
We need the van. We need the van.
All right, what do we do?
We need
Let me clear the shit out of the back
Oh,
and put it in one of
sorry,
the
that was
truck
an
cars.
accident.
We need it. We need it.
Got money.
Oh, Jesus. Here, he's right here. He's.
We need
Oh,
the
Jesus.
truck. We need the truck. It's
Okay.
urgent.
Oh.
All right. Well.
Yeah.
Let me shit out in the back. I'll go grab it out the cop car. They gonna.
Yeah. Listen, I left my prescription glasses in there. Could I?
I want to get paid for it. God damn it.
No,
I don't
you
have
you
to
can't.
get
I
that.
just left my prescription glasses. Can I?
Yeah, of course. Here, let me drop it.
Yeah. Could I just get my glasses out and then you can take it? This is the stupid. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just left my glasses in there and I just need to get my glasses out.
Don't
That's
worry about
all.
it. Don't worry about it. It's fine.
Yeah,
it's fine.
yeah.
I understand how these things
So
are.
do
You know?
you.
Yeah,
Just
yeah,
be
definitely.
quiet.
We had.
This is the worst. Oh.
Really?
All
They might have already extracted it. Dude, when I rolled up, the cops were already.
Oh
peeping
no,
in
my
inside.
glasses.
Oh, let me pull forward. Hold on.
Oh.
You guys see it on top of this.
It's.
Have you seen the state of the bathroom at the casino right now? Where are you?
I'm cleaning a bathroom right now.
What? What bathroom
Yeah.
are you in right now? Please
Um,
tell me you're not at the competition.
No, I must be at the other bathroom. I must have just missed you.
I just went to both bathrooms.
You must have just missed me. I will be there. Don't
just
you
went to
worry.
the bathroom.
You must have definitely just missed me.
my-
You
you
know,
know,
I'll
this
look for you.
bathroom is
I'll look for you.
trashed.
I'll look for you. Don't you worry.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I'm actually cleaning one right now. Right.
Which bathroom?
The one that you just passed. You must have just missed me.
You're the fucking janitor. Have you seen this bathroom?
uh,
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm about to be there. Don't you worry.
This is ridiculous. You know, get here now.
Yep. I'm not like officially employed yet. I'm sort of an unpaid intern janitor.
Yeah.
You know, maybe I'll just park here anyway. Like, oh my God.
Oh, forget it.
Oh, he said forget it. That's the guy that crashed my motors.
Was he?
He didn't do the trick.
All right. Yeah. Wait, why am I parking here? There we go. We're actually cleaning it. See? That looks like we cleaned it. All right. X, thanks for the sub. +1 rope. Look at that. I'm actually doing it. You see this? Right there. There we go. We cleaned it. Sort of. It looks like we're rubbing it on ourselves, but that, you know, it counts as cleaning. Right here. And right there, we cleaned it. There we go. Yep. This is good role playing, right? We're like actually doing it. Empty bottle, that's a wash right there. There, we picked up the empty bottle. There you go. We're doing great. Used gum. Let's pick it up off the floor. Oh, you can't do that? Okay. There we go. We just picked it up, ate it, free gum. That's what they call it. Unflushed, no problem. Push the little button there, and then it's flushed. There we go. Deposit some money in case we get robbed. So I have $2,800. That's a lot of money. Okay, 24.15. And then we should have 5K. Yep, 5K in the bank, $400. We're all set. Giam, thanks for the sub, and Frozen. Guys, we have a lot of money for once in our lives. And once we do some successful robberies, we'll be fine. Okay. Oh, I got some money. Got like $100.
Yo,
Oh,
what's up,
Benji,
Yuno?
what's up? Got some big news. First of all, you got any house robbery jobs right now? I've signed up like all night, got nothing.
Okay, today is gonna be, you know, I know what to do today. I woke up
You do?
yesterday. I had a brilliant idea.
What's your idea?
You need to be my hoe.
Your what? No, I was
Like
thinking we robbed some
like
houses.
Rent a boyfriend. I am gonna make millions of dollars today. You on
Oh,
the way?
look.
Okay, we're on the way there
Benji, a
right now.
dog. Look how cute it is.
All
look
right,
at
yeah,
that.
it's cute. Yeah.
Oh, look at that little
right.
guy go. All right, let's go sell our stuff. I've never seen a dog like that in this game.
You sound like a fucking psychopath, man.
What do you mean? Well, look, I
Look
don't
at
see
that
too
little
many
guy
dogs
go.
around
What the
here.
fuck is that?
There's another one. Look at that little guy. Well, Benji, you don't like dogs or something?
No! Wait, what? You know, please, no! That's my worst fear.
All right,
Definitely no.
I'll take care of him, guys. I'll take care of him.
No!
I'm gonna
That's
throw him
my
in the
worst
water.
fear. You know, I don't want to
He's gonna
drown.
swim
I'd
with the
rather be
fishies.
burned alive, please, you know.
Drowning
You know, no,
Here,
you
watch
know.
this.
Ah,
Oh.
oh, Daisy. Oh,
You have to
he
look to
threw me
your-
right
look
over
to your
the-
left.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God.
Hey, get back here!
Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. No, he can't. Yep. It's the cleanest bathroom in the past 70 decades, guaranteed. In fact, check this out. Check this out.
Okay.
This
What?
toilet right here, it's so clean. It's so
my
clean,
God.
I wash myself in it. That's how clean it is.
What?
Yep. That's how clean this toilet is. Cleanest bathroom in the last 70 decades. This is my
70
eau de
decades.
toilet. You ever hear that before?
Which
Eau
one?
de toilet?
Oh, the
um,
toilet.
Something like that. That's me right now.
Okay. So you
Anyway,
smell like
just,
a toilet.
That specific good smelling toilet that I just cleaned.
Yeah. Okay. What's the scent?
It's sea salt and sage.
All right. Follow me
I
in
just
here.
made that up. You did illegal fishing?
I almost got first-degree speeding as well.
What? Wait, you did illegal fishing?
I one time
Oh.
when
Well, you didn't
baby
illegally
sharks.
kill any sharks or anything, right?
okay, I don't know what that man did with them after I gave them to him,
What?
so they might or might not be alive. And also, we
Oh,
kept
God.
one in the fish tank at Pillbox. His name is
What?
Bruce.
You're crazy. Don't hurt the sharks. They're my favorite.
Is this a bet or some shit? Was this a bet? What the hell's going on?
Hey, Ron, listen, hate to be the bearer of bad news, but you gotta get back in the bank. And I'm not kidnapping you, but this guy's about to kill that lady if you don't get in there.
Some goddamn casino just for this shit.
Wait, don't get hit by the bus! Oh my god!
Jesus.
You gotta get back in the
See you
bank.
later.
Hey, let
Oh
me.
my
Oh,
God.
jeez.
Officer. Hey.
This is the worst
No, no,
robbery.
Ron!
Jesus.
I'll be the hostage.
There's no way this is